that I'm a little bit late on some of these videos, but I do still want to show you. Sorry, that was my dog. Anyway, I still want to show you some of the stuff that I got in the Something New Bridal Box. So, I don't have the box because I took the stuff out and then I used it and then I can't find the card. But basically, let me actually show you how it came in the box real quick, and then I'll dive in and show you a little bit more about what came in the stuff. So yeah, that's pretty much how it looked like when I first got it. And I literally just got that bridal box before I went to vacation into California with my fiance and my brothers. So it was like literally perfect timing. We went to the beach. It was great. So this bag, I'm going to bring it up close so you can see it. But it says Beach Bride. And it came with a lot of cute stuff. So it came with this wifey water bottle. Super cute. And I'm actually not wanting to drink from it until I get married, so I'm waiting. And then this was actually really cool. So this was just something that I wore over my bathing suit. Looks kind of just like that. And on the bottom, it says, what is it? Bride Babe. So that was really cool and just kind of something that's like cute. And then it also came with this pop socket, and it says Future Misses on it. So that was pretty cute. And it came with this body oil too. I haven't used it too much. I'm not a huge oil person. But it's still really cool, still really nice. It's like it says Body Nectar softening oil. So yeah, it just has a bunch of oils, grapeseed oil, apricot kernel oil, sunflower oil, lavender, sage, yang yang, or whatever. But yeah, so that was really cool. But it does actually, you know, make it very soft. So if you're into that, that was a really cool item to get. And then the last thing was this, which says wifey on it. Just another tank top, wifeyed up. So that was really cute. But yeah, so that was pretty much the June box. Oh yes, it also did come with a bracelet, a gold bracelet, but I can't find it. But basically it just had a knot on it, symbolizing that you're getting married. So it was really cute. But yeah, so that was pretty much it. My fiance, my wonderful fiance, threw out the, what is it? He threw out the little card that comes in it, and I didn't take a picture of the other side of it, so I can't really tell you the retail cost of the stuff that this came in, but I mean, I remember briefly looking at it when I first got it, and you know, pretty much the same stuff. You know, everything that you're getting is well worth, you know, well over of what you spent for the box. So, you know, I really love it because it just, you know, it gives me things that I wouldn't have ordered myself or would have even thought of. So I really like it. But that's pretty much June's box. So check the next video for July's box. So